To celebrate the centenary of the arrival of the Salesian to Northeast, who marked the ironing on 13 January 1922 here in Shillong, the Salesian province of St. John Paul II, Shillong, organized various competitions and celebrations. On 26 August 2022, basketball and football matches were held at St. Anthony's Higher Secondary Ground for the various Salesian institutions in the province. The matches were conducted simultaneously, and as many as 40 institutions registered for the same under the efficient leadership of Father Anthony Karkongor, who is the youth delegate of the province, together with the SYM executive members. All the finals were played on 26 August, and the team from Don Bosco Technical School, Shillong, won the championship for football in men's category, and the Don Bosco Sports Academy was runners-up. In basketball, both in men and women categories, teams from Mawlai Parish were crowned champions, and the Salesian Youth Movement were declared runners-up. Present on the dais for the concluding were Father Jivan Lakra, the rector of the Salesian Training Center, who was the chief guest of the concluding ceremony. Father Maipang Maori, Brother Barnabas Kriam, Father Anthony Karkongor, and other Salesians gave away the trophies to the winners. The winner from these matches will represent Shillong Province for the Inter-Province Championship, which will be held on October 2022, the culmination of the centenary celebration.
Now, I continue to organize as executive members, Ms. Venetia, the Joint Secretary of SYM, Ms. Pauline, the Educational Secretary, Ms. Pasi, Joint Secretary of Education. But you may think Bangsi Lalakon the executive members of SYM. Dalam bagi kita istrom jadi berkala belum pun sama, najan berkala. Assuming the report when I today Parish prepare and club prepare, will recognize the province of the SYM, the Bosco Sports Academy, Technical School, but the way the Blushing Battalion in that time.